What's up, peeps? Well, we've decided to show you the un-Instagram part of RV life.
The ugly side.
The ugly side.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Matter of fact, let's take a walk, shall we? See what could come in here. As you can see, door jamb had to be taken off. But reasoning why is because we've had multiple water floods in our bedroom, and now we don't even know where they're coming from. So today we are taking the bed out. We're going to try to figure it out. We're going to remove the washer, check all the hoses, see what's going on. We've got towels in place. Yay, RV life. So sometimes it's not always the greatest to get like an actual mattress because you run into this. But we got it out, and now we gotta get it down the hallway.
We're always trying to find the silver lining in things, and this does allow us an opportunity to go through the stuff that's under the bed in the storage, see what it is. Have we even looked at it in a year?
That's terrifying what's in there.
So the thought is we are going to remove the flooring so we can see if there's any water underneath and make sure that it's cleaned up, so on and so much.
Mold, anything.
Yeah. So stay tuned.
So you're asking what I'm doing. The board is like going to be too big, so one thing we're going to need to do is take the kind of get the top piece and these bars out of the way. That way this will come up out of here pretty easily. So these have got these little small clips on them. You just move them out of the way like I just did, about smash my face. And then it'll pop right out, and then you can lift it up out of your way and be able to access a few other things.
Okay.
Yep, it's a family affair. And the wise one, get on it. Well, as we suspected, water has been getting underneath here and hanging out. The drain hose for the washing machine actually goes right above the floor down there. And we're actually afraid that it might be the one leaking. But like I said, we gotta check everything. Definitely can tell it's been leaking for a minute. I mean, look at these screws. They are rusted so bad. Man, this ain't good. Yeah, look how saturated that piece of wood is. Oh, man. Good times. Good times. Okay, well, at least the nice thing is they put this nice panel in here so we can take the panel off and yeah, let's see what's going on behind there, shall we? All right, well.
Wow. Did you see that big drip?
Well, we took it off, and as you can see, it is dripping horribly bad. Not sure where from yet, but it's all over the electrical outlet. So I took these off of the connectors, which are up here, but when I did, they were so easily removed, but there was so much water around them. We're questioning if that was our problem, is that they just were not completely tightened down, so when the pressure of the water came up, they started leaking, because all the water that we see is literally right where they were sitting. All right, we've had it reset up for about 20 minutes now, and we are not seeing any water leakage. So as of right now, we think that was the entire problem, is that these fittings that screw down to this little plastic were not tight enough. And the pressure from the water just started leaking and filling up inside here, which then leaked out over here and ran all the way across to there into the bathroom. So, like my little gizmo. So, after all that, I think we fixed the problem. I'm not gonna put the beauty ring back into the faucets just to make sure that if anything else goes sideways. But I appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna get all this put back together and hopefully be able to start doing laundry again. Yay! RV life!
Sebastian's here, ready to help.
What, puppy? What do you want? Huh? What are you doing? Yo, what up, peeps? Thought I would do a little update. We do got the washer going. It's been about a week since we did the repairs, and so far, no leaks. So we are thinking literally that the whole time it was because a fitting was not tight enough, and just the water pressure alone was causing it to leak. But we're now worried about possible wood damage, mold. It is going into the shop in January for other repairs, and we're going to talk to him at that point about all the damages and whatnot, and see if warranty covers anything, or if we're kind of on our own, which means that I might have to be rebuilding a closet. Yay. Anyways, we appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully everything comes out all right. But we love you. Deuces.